Hello YouTube and welcome back to the next video in the quick garden room build series. In this video we're working on the exterior cladding. I'll start by showing you here the rear of the building where we've gone for a steel box profile cladding. This is due to lack of access for maintenance. On the front and sides of the building we've gone for a 150mm feather clad. And here is the completed left-hand side of the cladding, and you can see here the scribed edge which matches the profile of the fall in the roof. Along the bottom of the battens I've fixed this soffit mesh to help reduce the pests that can kind of crawl up in the space behind and nest and all those kinds of things. A quick tip here for mounting the trim around the doors and windows. I've fixed the piece of trim to the batten rather than fixing the batten and then the piece of trim, as you can see here. This allows us to get a nice fixing. And here I've added the pieces on the sides as well. And you can see you also need to cut the bottom to the fall of the windowsill. On the shed side of the interior separating wall, I've fixed OSB cladding to keep the insulation in place and provide a nice fixing for various shed things. Coming up to the end of day 10, this is now how the interior is looking. I know this video is specifically about cladding, but we then spent the rest of today getting the first fix electric cabling in so that we can start to insulate and put the plasterboard in. So now it's day 11 on the build and we're back at the cladding. Today we'll get the rest of the cladding finished. So here is the finished cladding, and now with the finished guttering and downpipe on the side. We've added these soffit vents, and that marks the kind of completion of the exterior. So the only thing left to do is to add some wood preserver. Here is a view of the side shed that we've incorporated into the build with this sort of semi-hidden door that matches the pattern of the cladding, which I think looks quite nice. And finally, internally in the gardening room itself, similar clip to what we saw the day before in the night time, but we've got a bit of odd insulation added into the walls here, but you can see the cabling is pretty much in. So that is a wrap on day 11 and this video. In the next video we'll be moving on to the internal finish, which will include doing the insulation, the plasterboarding and the flooring. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.